Very good morning, traders. Welcome to MSD School of Trading. We wholeheartedly thank all the YouTube subscribers and all the indicator subscribers for your efforts in understanding your indicator and the trust what you are having with us, and for having subscribed to our YouTube channel as well as to our indicators. Thank you all. Now let us enter into our channel. Today's video. Before we enter into our today's video, if you are not subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe and then watch and like and share to all your beloved ones. Now I will tell you quickly how to get our indicator into your chart. The first thing is you have to create one TradingView free account. Go to this tradingview.com and give your username, password of your choice, and select your username and open the account. After having opened, please share the username with us. Also select the subscription plan for our indicator, whichever you want, which starts from quarterly, that is 3 months onwards it starts. Next thing, go to the indicator settings here, indicators here. If we click here, I have kept the cursor here, just click on it. Then you will find all the options like favorite, my scripts, technical, financial, community scripts, and invite only. In the invite only mode, you will be having only one indicator, whereas I am having many. Why? Because depending on the users and requirement I am giving. If they attend our price action course, I will give different indicator. If they attend our option trading course, I will give different indicator. If they want only our MS Striker 2.0, that I will give. And for different lifetime member, I am giving different features based on their requirement. But our indicator setting is same. If you take any indicator, all the indicators will be having these 4 important features. That is first buy, second sell, first sell, second buy, and the targets. So these will be the same for everyone. There will be no change. This is the fundamental concept what we are following for past 12 years. Okay. Now let me start today's session with our ever trending script, that is our Bank Nifty. And once I add the chart to my once I add my indicator to my chart, the first thing I have to do is I have to do reset before I start the day, before I start trading for the day. And second thing, I have to reduce my stop loss to tiny 2 stop loss, and target also tiny 2 for Bank Nifty and Nifty. For others you can keep same. If it is small digits like natural gas, you have to increase the stop loss size to small. Okay, let us see what happened. I am going to replay the button. Like market has just to open, I have kept in 10 times speed so that your time will be saved. And if you see the previous day, this is the previous day's chart, that is on 4th October, buy activated, targets hit. Okay, our indicator is not a repeating indicator, so whatever has already come, that will be there forever. See here, see here we missed the buy entry, but based on the price action, you could have taken entry. But by considering the default settings, we are considering that no trade. Here only we got the trade, so sell activated. If sell activated, go to the settings and enable the sell targets. This is the first step. Otherwise what you can do, simply you can wait for the midpoint as the target. So now I will do this default setting. Since sell activated, I am removing the buy, enabling the sell targets, also enabling the second buy targets, because if SL hit, I have to go for the reversal entry. So it's ready, everything is ready. I am waiting for the target. First target hit, second target also hit. That's all. See here, perfection. From this zone it has taken reversal, and from this zone it has taken the reversal. We got the perfect targets. So this is with the case of Nifty. What about the this is in case of Bank Nifty. What about the Nifty? Let us see. Due to time constraint, I am limiting to number of scripts only. So here also what you have to do, go to the settings, give reset settings before we start trading for the day, and come here, you give tiny 2 stop loss and tiny 2 target. That's all, nothing else. And do bar resetting, bar replay. See here, by immediately I will cancel and once again I will start, because it went very speed, very faster it finished. Where it is? Here you go. I will reduce the speed size to 3 times. Now market has just opened. We got the lines 19,484 and 19,569 entry. See here, from the buy zone perfectly we got one bullish R3C and all the targets hit. Again sell activated. Let us see what happens. Sell side also we got the profit. So from here to here 2 targets, from there to here 1 target so far hit. Now I will increase the speed. Yeah, both the sides we got the target. But what we say, if buy activated there is no sell, if sell activated there is no buy. Okay, if you have any confirmation then you can go. See here, one bearish engulfing pattern has formed here, R3C pattern, bearish R3C here has formed. So based on one confirmation you can go for trade again. That's all, very simple. Trading is made very simple. It is simplified like anything. Let me show you one more script from the commodity, what we can take. Yeah, natural gas is there. It is very nearby to Nifty. That's why I am selecting always natural gas. So now the same thing we have to follow here also. Go to the indicator settings, reset set, and since it is 3 digit and natural gas, I am keeping small stop loss and small target. That's all. If you want me to do replay, that I will do. See here, go to the settings, and see what happened. Sell activated. See the perfection. Exactly, sell activated, target hit. Here itself our trading over. If you want to be trading again, then you can take the buy entry here, only based on one confirmation. Buy also activated. If you want to, one person asked me what is P trend, why you have removed P trend from the updated one. No, I have not removed, I have kept as an option. Go to the IIT MGR zone and see, you can see P trend. What is the P trend? P trend is showing you the overall trend of the market. If the candlesticks are above the P trend, the trend of the market is buy trend. If it is below the P trend, trend of the market is sell trend. Okay, now the P trend is 247.4, and if you get the trade at 247.4 nearby range, that is the best to buy. Okay, now let us see here, it has structured our P trend and it has reversed. What is the P trend? 247.4. What is the low of the natural gas? 247.4. Exact low. Exact low. So once the P trend is getting activated, you can wait for more target. So from P trend to sell zone, perfectly we got the entry, and once the second buy is broken, see, it goes like anything. All the targets have been hit. All the targets. Wonderful, wonderful range. So what I can do, I can simply enable my second buy targets, and I can increase the target size to big. Otherwise you can keep revising your stop loss. That is what you can do. Okay, because we don't know what will happen. So you can simply revise your stop loss. So perfectly, from the sell zone to buy zone target hit, from the buy zone, since there is a P trend, that also exactly hit, and we got all our targets have been hit. So what else you are expecting from the indicator? See, the market is exactly following what the indicator is saying. The market is following the indicator. The indicator is predicting you what will happen. So that is why, if you are interested, you can subscribe to our indicator. Otherwise, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and keep following us. We both will be benefited. Let us grow together. See the perfection. This perfection, top side also perfection, bottom side also perfection. Here market has got trending, but our SL is not hit. Only less than 2 point is our SL, but SL not hit. From here it reversed, from here it took support, and all our targets have been hit. So this is the miracle of our indicator. So we are getting all the features, and who are subscribed to our lifetime mode, they will be getting all the feature updates, and all the trainings are free. Every Sunday we will be keeping doubts clearing session for the people who are having doubts on one-on-one basis. Thank you all. Bye bye. Wish you all a happy profitable day ahead.